Hello everyone, and welcome back to Johnny Letters. Today we're going to explore a new cutting edge website that you can use to generate wealth instantly on your computer. So hop over to Kleinnet and check out their interesting and innovative Qimble capture system. So guys, you can access their homepage by going to www.klein.net. You see their array of Qimbles. You can select one and inspect it. So we're going to check out X019-G10. Guys, on this website you can purchase and gift various Qimbles, and you can even generate a stockpile of them and transfer them to Qimblesocks.com to trade them back and forth for socks or land or other Qimbles. And we'll check that out in just a second. You're going to want to log in, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. If you don't have an account, sign up. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by the website, and you can check out your Qimbletory. This is a little peek into mine. I have 16 total Qimbles at a total value of 144,600, and I rank 331 in the world for value. These are the first 9 of my Qimbles here, and got a couple random ones, got a couple nice ones here. X808, it's a pretty good number, you know. 2 nodes here. Looks for a really valuable one. This, of course, is my prized possession. 109, X109, so it's from the first generation, denoted by the singular X as opposed to the double X. It's generation 2. It's the 109th Qimble. And as you can see here, it's extremely cubed in structure. It almost has 2 nodes here, of course, but just one. Beautiful thing right there. I can get a pretty penny for that. This one, nodeless, which is a thing to note. There's not many nodeless ones. Double node here, pretty nice. This one has an elongated node, which isn't too common, which is pretty exciting. So then you can click the transfer button, and you can transfer any of your Qimbles from Klein.net to Qimblesocks.com. All you have to do is search for one of the Qimbles in your collection and press the transfer button, guys, and the Qimble will be sent to the other website. So guys, for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you next week.